OC.
Oda po si boys.
No,
Oda po si boys.
I don't need
Okay,
my
bonking,
OC
bonking.
to you.
And someone tell me, I forgot OC. Sorry.
90% gate, 90%. Almost 80 now. 85, 83, 80. 18% gate.
Step up tayo.
Sir Cox, wala ka mic, ha? Hindi ka nagsasalita, Sir Cox.
Ready?
Na?
Ready?
Go.
Sir Cox, mic mo,
Wait.
Sir Cox.
Up.
Cox, go.
In front. Okay, ready. Engage. 3, 2, 1. No. Okay, back.
Dep front.
Okay, heal the front. Heal, please. Thank you. Okay.
Shaper. Sir Cox,
Wait lang, nawala ko si Cox, ha?
Hindi na narinig, Sir Cox, ha?
Lang, kipiling, boys. Gate. Keep guard dun, okay? Keep guard
60%,
dun.
ha? Gate 60%.
Yummy, come.
Try me.
Ready.
Careful front.
Okay, ready.
Try me.
Wait.
3, 2, 1. On me.
Back.
Sir Cox
Okay,
na, Sir Cox na.
Wait.
Shallow on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow gate. Go back. Mark B flash.
30%.
Mark B flash. Tell me percentage of the gate.
It's ready.
Okay,
20%,
DPS get ready. Shallow now. Shallow sa 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow minus out.
20%,
Go back.
ha? 15%, 10%.
All good.
Okay, they will push now,
Iles
boys.
start to second floor na Iles. Second floor na Iles.
No.
Iles second floor now.
Yeah, ready. Request
Shaper.
Yo, stop floating, boys.
Don't stay on the no.
How are they? Hugging the gate.
Okay.
Broken.
Clear comes. Get ready. Southeast na overall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw. More damage. They will engage. That's fake. Bomb now. Get ready. Okay.
Need you. I need you.
Heal Ponper. Tell me. Ready. Shallow on me now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow me now. Kill the corner. Fuck. Nice. Kill. Collar dead. Jacket now. Collar dead.
The sword, jacket on the sword.
Jacket on the sword. Inch up now, Elias. Go north, Elias. Go north, Elias. Ready? On the gate. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gate now. Headbutt. Gate.
Be careful.
Go back.
Galatin inside.
Bam.
Shaper.
Keeper.
Heal me.
Defense get ready. DPS now ready? Elias.
Ready.
Okay, on me, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the crown. Go back. You're clamping. Why are you guys clamping there? Heal me. Don't let me die.
Come out, bro.
No, I didn't
Oh
call
my.
for come out, bro. You stay. You need to follow the sword. DPS ready. East now on the stair. I don't know. Shallow on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate only. More damage. Kulang sa DPS, man.
Trigger muna. Let them trigger first, Sir Cox.
Just trigger and come back. We still have 14 DA, okay? Keeper. Don't eat. DPS on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gate mo now. Go back now. Click now. Giga. Just pop Giga. Okay? Pop Giga. Tell me now, DPS ready?
Ready.
DPS now. Look on the crown again. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw crown. Shallow. Go back. Rigiran ka back. Okay?
How many DA do you still have? How many DA?
We're coming.
We have 13.
We have 13.
13,
Yeah,
13.
it's okay. All good. We have 13.
We coming back.
Were they invis bomb? What the fuck happened there?
On my way,
It's
bro. On my way.
Okay, wait. We're gonna shallow again, okay? On the
DPS,
crown,
follow
boys.
the
On the crown. Follow the sword, boys. DPS, follow the sword. Okay?
You're getting lost again.
They're bombing.
DPS now. Shallow me. Shallow crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow crown. Only crown. Hindi kaya, man. Go back. We're waiting for our DPS.
Careful, Kangaroo.
Wait for the DPS. Bam! Shaper East. Okay, DPS ready?
Yeah, ready.
Locking sila.
Okay, I will do fake. This is fake. Okay, DPS now. Look on the crown, boys. Look on the crown. Gate now. Gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw gate. Just trap on the gate.
Reactive, bro. Can you invite me? Clear it.
Nice one. Nice bomb. Good job. Good job, Bam.
One shot, guy. Many ganka.
Tell me. DPS.
Ready. Ferma
This is
ready.
fake.
Yummy.
Okay, DPS now. Get ready. Headbutt now on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw gate.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Go back.
Yummy.
How many percent on the gate?
30.
Okay.
DPS ready.
Okay, DPS ready. Shallow again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Umina shallow. Go back.
Basag
now.
basag na yung gate sa northeast. Baka
Yeah, sige lang. We go west.
Shaper.
We go west. DPS get ready. On the gate.
Long cooldown.
Shaper. Go click west now. Click west. Click west. Diyan lang kayo. Click west. All good.
Matras sila, boss.
Sige lang, all good. Don't follow. The repositioning. I'm waiting for my DPS.
Stick to the sword, ah.
Because in fact,
Okay, come to me now. Northeast over the wala.
Many gankers and
Malayo.
Northeast, okay. Click LS. Dead end north.
Ready.
Dead end northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast dead end.
Nga, pre.
Then go back now. Go. Pil. Giga. Inner sharing. Click southwest, boys. Click southwest. Click west now. DPS now, ready? DPS? On the crown. Look on the crown north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw north. Just trap north. Go back. Just stay there, DPS. Just stay there, okay? Just stay there. Tell me cool down.
5 seconds.
Okay.
Ready, ah.
If you're in Fen, go to Morgana's Rest to take in
DPS get ready. Look east now. Look east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw. Shallow ground. Then go back. Shaper will engage you. Be careful, okay? We're gonna click southwest now. Be careful. Heal me. I'm gonna dead here. I'm dead. Out now. I'm dead. Out now. I'm dead. Out now.
51 to 150 in Quag. Fen.
Out. All out, boys. All out.